Hello guys, welcome to VR Fam. This is Varsha and today I am going to review this brushes. This I have bought from an Amazon a while ago. I will leave the link in the description box. With that I have got this egg free, that is brush cleaning and egg, and this beauty blender which is of no use. You can see I have used it but I don't find any use. It does not goes into the corner. I don't know which is the shape and why is it, and you can see after 2 uses and 1 wash it is having, it is not good quality. You can see that by your own. And this is awesome. It cleans my brush very nicely. I have 10 brushes, 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes, so you can see the quality itself. The back side is of plastic. It is in the pink, light pink or baby pink color, and the front part is of steel, that is silver color, and the brushes quality is very good. There is no fallout and they are extremely soft. So you get this in various colors as well. This is a Kylie brushes. This is a dupe, obviously it is not original because I have got it for like 265 rupees, and Kylie original brushes would not be so cheap. So you can see there is no fallout. I am showing each and every brush like that, and it is very sturdy. It does not, pink color and silver colors does not come apart. So first we will talk about eye brushes. This is a blending brush. We have 3 blending brushes. One is a fluffy brush which is very good for crease and above the crease. For particularly crease we have a second brush which is this. It is same but a smaller size of blending brush. You can see it goes perfectly in my crease. And third is also a blending brush which is same like a second brush but in slant. You can see that by yourself. It is in the slanted position, so it will go to the crease. It will blend the colors very well. It will go till end of the crease, and as well as it will blend perfectly. And you can also apply color, eyelid color with it. Sorry for my voice, I am not well. And then we have a flat shader brush with which you can apply pigments as well as shimmer shades. And then we have this dome shape brush which is best to highlight inner corners, lower, smudge out lower lash line, contour the nose. You can see the shape itself. It is a dome shape brush. So now move on to face brushes. We have 5 brushes without, from which we have two, I can say, I thought it would be kabuki brushes, but it is not kabuki brushes. So this you can use for contouring as it is having a slanted shape. So if you like flat brushes for contouring, if you like fluffy brushes, then it is not for you. And then this is the brush for foundation. I thought it would be kabuki brush, but no, it is not kabuki brush. It is a buffing brush. You have to buff the foundation. You cannot press in to blend, in consideration to blend it. So today I have used that brush only, and you can see the part does not come off. I have tried so hard to see if it is flimsy, but it is not. Any brush, you can see I will try each and every brush, but it has not. I have tried already in the starting. Then second are the fluffier brush which you can use for powder, blush and contouring, whichever it suits. You can use a single brush in multiple ways. In this also you have one normal brush and one slanted brush. See, I am showing you the difference. This is a slanted brush. So yeah, you can use this for contouring if you like a fluffy brush for contouring. It depends on you that how much you want to use the brushes and how you want to use the brushes. You can use one brush in multiple ways. Then we have dome shape brush again, which you can use for contouring, which I like. Today I have done contouring with this only. It is similar like small dome shape brush, just in a bigger shape. Like you can see the comparison. It is exactly similar. So this is, the blender is of no use. It is worse. This is best. The brush egg is best, and the brushes are also good quality. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my socials. Link will be in the description box. See you guys. For subscribing to my channels, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will never miss my any updates. Thank you for watching.